Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about SHEIN beauty organization products that they have on their website. Super affordable prices, and I do also have a coupon code for you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'll admit I am not the best at organization when it comes to makeup, so these products are definitely going to help me. And again, I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's on the screen as well as in the description. However, I will say the prices for this are actually insane. Very affordable, around $10 and under, which is crazy, especially when I show you everything that I picked up. Again, this is the giant bag, and shout out to SHEIN for working with me on this video. They did send me the product. Item number one that I got is actually for my bathroom. I think, however, you can use it in multiple different ways. I think it's very functional. This currently is on sale for $1.56. So I love the gold hardware that it has. As you can see, it's also a transparent kind of like plastic material, and I don't think you could tell whatsoever that it was only $1.50. So this is the first one that I got, just to show you guys kind of what I would do with it. Like, this is my Urban Decay setting spray. Even with the products, I like how it's transparent, and as you can see, it's pretty big. So this is the normal size Urban Decay setting spray, and it still fits in there with a lot of room. This is just a great little storage organization. So that is why I chose this one. The next item is this white cube that I ended up picking up. This one is a little bit more pricey, but still under $10. This only retails for $6.96. This is what it looks like. It came packaged really nicely, so I am just going to open it up. Store your makeup products, some mascara we can toss in there. If you want to put like a lipstick at the top, a blush. Just really cute for organization, as you can see. And then you can also stick stuff on the inside. Right now, as you can see, it doesn't have the handles, which come separately in a little baggie like this. Are these bunnies? Stop, that is so cute. Little bunnies. So that's what it now looks like, and then you can just use it to open and close. Maybe office supplies even. That would be great if you wanted like pencils, sticky notes, anything like that. So I thought this was a great versatile product as well, so that's why I picked that one up. Next up, I have a jewelry storage box, which I haven't opened this yet, simply because I think this would make a great gift. One of my friend's birthday is coming up, so I feel like I want to include this in there because I am going to be giving her some jewelry as well. So I don't want to open this up just yet, but this was very affordable, and also I think makes a great gift. It's the velvet flip cover. This only retails for $6.70. I'll have a picture on the screen for you guys so you can see what it looks like, but this is how it comes packaged. Again, great for a present. I think I'm gonna make my friend like a little basket and then have this kind of be on the outside, and then add the little like jewelry on the inside and other things that I am adding to her gift as well. But that's the only reason I haven't opened this up. Next up, we have a storage travel tote. This one is really cute, and again, I am going traveling, so I wanted to pick up a bunch of different kind of travel accessories to see which one I wanted to bring with me on this trip. This is meant for like toiletries. I feel like if you're going on a road trip or staying at like Airbnbs where you need to bring your own kind of like bottles of shampoos, conditioner, body washes, all of that, this is what that is for. It's great. It is a bit on the larger size, so for reference, again, this is my Urban Decay setting spray. There's still a lot of room. It's very easy to clean, this material, so if it gets dirty, not to worry, just grab some wipes, clean it, it'll be nice. But I do like the little pink color to it. It actually matches my nails pretty well, and this is currently on sale for $4.39. It is a great size. I like it. I actually might even bring this for my dirty clothes, dirty laundry. I might just stick my dirty laundry in here. That's the great thing also, like, you can use everything for multiple reasons, so I think I might stick my dirty laundry into this bag. It's still really cute, but I'm personally not going to be bringing big kind of like bottles and skincare stuff like that. I'm going very, very light on this trip. Okay, this makeup pouch caught my attention, not because just the color, which this color is really, really pretty. This is what it looks like, and it also, as you can see, stores really nice. simple flat, but then you open it. This is what it looks like empty, and this is what it looks like when it's full. As you can see, it does have a space for brushes. It has a lot of pockets on the sides over here on the inside, which is great. This is a little bit too big, so I would just take it out and put it on the main portion of this. Same with this, it's a little bit too big, but I did just want to show you. And then you just zip it up, which I like the gold hardware on it. And there you go, your makeup is ready to go. Next up we have another cosmetic bag that I chose. Again, this is for like skincare and kind of like bathroom items that you bring on a trip. This is only $5.76 currently, and again, this is for like bathroom essentials, and I like it because it has this hook, which obviously on like bathroom doors you just hook it on. This is great for all your bathroom essentials, and then again you can just hang it on the back of the door, so everything that you would put in here, deodorant, skincare, face wash, small shampoos, conditioners, toothpaste, toothbrush, I don't know, anything that you need. There also has this pocket in here, which is great, and again a really great size. This is everything that was in this bag. Now in this bag with still a lot of room, and as you can see it opens up pretty wide as well, and again a handle, super simple, very easy to store as well. Actually, I really like this one too. I think this one's cute, and it just says wash bag at the front, and then you can see through it, so you can obviously see some of the products you have in there in case you forget, but I doubt you would forget, but just in case, it does have that. And it just looks cute. I think pretty things on traveling is essential because it just makes the trip that much better to have like little cute things for your trip. And last but not least, the next two items are pretty similar to each other. I just wanted to see the difference. One retails for $5.10 while the other one retails for $5.88. Still, again, they do look pretty similar. Honestly, like I feel like they're identical. Small little things that I'm noticing right away is this one just has some wording on the front that says Rose of No Man's Land over here in gold, while this one is just the plain pink. Inside is also a little bit different. Again, this is the one that has the wording on it, while this one is plain. As you can see, this one is a little bit darker where this one is clear. This one does seem more of like a thicker kind of fabric material, where this one is the one that's like the swooshy, slippery material, easy to clean type of material, so keep that in mind. I will have them linked in the description. I'll let you know the difference between them if you want to purchase one. This one does have a lot of pockets on the inside, and then it does also have a middle part as well to stick some items inside. It's kind of like a divider, but also not, because it does not go to the very bottom. On the inside, we're going to put some Rare Beauty blushes. We'll put a makeup brush, this little thingy, primer from The Ordinary, and then I'm just going to zip it up. So as you can see now, it's just in the middle, and then we're just going to fill up these sides, stick everything just in there. I really like the little compartments that it has to hold specific makeup on like the corners, like here. This actually fits a lot. Like it looks like it doesn't fit a lot, especially because when it was closed the shape was a little bit like flat, so it didn't look like it could fit that much, but I am literally just going in and stuffing all the stuff that I have. And so this definitely is full. Now you just push it together and easily zip it up. I will say for all of these also, the zipper has been great, does not get stuck, so I like that. And again, the top handle, and now you have this fun little makeup, which again, this is tiny for everything that's inside, and I like the way that it opens because it just flat out makes everything so easy and accessible to reach. So that is this one. But we're gonna do a quick switcheroo. So now the product is in here, the exact same amount that was in this one. I do notice that right off the bat this one does expand open a little bit wider than the other one did, and this one lays a little bit more flat. And so that's what I noticed right off the bat. And now let's close it. And again, the makeup is in the exact same position as it was in the other one, but the exact same shape. I actually don't know which one I like more. The outside feels so similar. They're pretty much identical. That is everything for today's haul. Shout out to SHEIN for sending over some amazing beauty organization products and storage for me to organize my beauty at home, and then also while I'm on the go traveling. If you saw anything you liked, as mentioned, it is linked in the description. Go check that out, as well as my coupon code that is on the screen for you guys to get some additional money off. Even though everything is very, very affordable, you can always get some more money off with my coupon code, so don't forget to use that. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!